Welcome everyone. Today we are beginning something truly powerful. Something that can change the way you speak, think, and express yourself forever. Today we begin a complete journey to master English speaking using powerful, proven steps. But we will not rush. We will move step by step, with patience, clarity, and confidence. This is not a boring grammar class. This is not just tips and tricks. This is a real transformation system. Because the truth is simple. Fluent English is not a talent. Fluent English is a result. A result of consistent speaking, brain training, mouth training, and confidence building. If you give your full effort and follow these steps honestly, you will not just learn to speak English. You will begin to live inside English. You will stop feeling nervous. You will speak without fear. And one day you will look back and say, I did it. I broke the wall. I became the speaker I always wanted to be. So let's begin this life-changing journey. First, we train your mouth, not just your brain. This is the most ignored step, yet the most powerful one. Most English learners spend months or even years studying grammar, vocabulary, rules, books, and exercises. But they forget one important thing. They forget to train the tool that actually speaks. That tool is your mouth. Your brain may understand English, but if your mouth is not trained to say the words clearly, naturally, and confidently, you will always hesitate. You will pause. You will feel nervous. You will say, I know English, but I can't speak. That happens because your mouth is not ready. So in this step, our mission is clear. We train the muscles of your mouth to speak English without fear, without stopping, without getting stuck. Just like a singer trains their voice. Just like an athlete trains their body. We train your mouth to speak English fluently. When you speak your native language, you don't think. You just talk. Your mouth already knows every sound and every sentence. But in English, your tongue gets stuck. Your lips feel tight. Your voice becomes weak. Your pronunciation becomes unclear. Why? Because your mouth is not trained for English sounds. Now we break that wall. We speak out loud every day. Not just thinking. Not just listening. We use our voice. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your own eyes and speak out loud in English. Speak to yourself. This is not only word practice. This is confidence practice. You are teaching your mind. I can speak. I will speak. I am not afraid. Say simple things. Talk about yourself. Talk about your journey. Talk about growth. Do not try to be perfect. Just open your mouth and speak. Then speak your daily life. Your real life is the best practice topic. Describe what you do as you do it. Repeat simple sentences clearly. Let your mouth learn naturally. Repeat short sentences again and again. Repetition builds comfort. Comfort builds confidence. Use your full voice. This is mouth training. This is muscle memory. Record your voice daily. Listen to yourself. Even if it feels uncomfortable, you will hear improvement. And that improvement will motivate you. Do not worry about grammar. Do not pause for mistakes. Do not quit. This step alone will change your comfort level forever. Next, we train your mind to think in English. You cannot speak fluently if you are still thinking in another language. Translation is the hidden wall. Fluency begins when your brain stops translating and starts living in English. When your thoughts happen in English, speaking becomes natural. You don't plan sentences. You don't freeze. You just speak. Thinking in English means your daily thoughts happen in English. Your reactions happen in English. Your inner voice becomes English. This is not optional. This is required. Name everything around you in English. Describe your surroundings. Connect English to real life. Narrate your life like a story. Speak what is happening. Speak what you feel. Speak what you want. Write your real thoughts in English. Then say them out loud. Let your mind, mouth, and ears work together. Use silent moments to think in English. While walking, while waiting, while resting. Block translation on purpose. If you don't know a word, explain it in English. Keep moving forward. This is how fluent speakers think. They don't stop. They adapt. Make English part of your life. Change your phone language. Hear English. See English. Think English. And slowly, without pressure, English becomes you. Set an alarm with this label. I speak English. I believe in myself. When it rings, say it out loud. This builds your daily identity. Now we move forward. The next step is the pen or pencil technique. You may already know English. You may think in English. You may even understand English movies, podcasts, and videos. But if your mouth is not trained to move clearly, freely, and strongly, your words will still come out slow, unclear, and weak. Speaking English is physical. Your mouth is a muscle. Your tongue, jaw, and lips must move in a new way when you speak English. If they are not trained, your pronunciation will always feel weak. People may ask you to repeat yourself. You may feel shy again. You may feel nervous again. But there is a powerful technique used by actors, singers, public speakers, and English learners all over the world. It is simple, feels strange, and it works. This is the pen or pencil technique. Take a clean pen or pencil, not too thick. Place it gently between your teeth, horizontally. Do not bite hard. Keep it comfortable. Now speak English sentences out loud with the pen in your mouth. At first, it will feel difficult. Your mouth will feel stretched. Your words will feel unclear. You may even laugh. That is good, because your jaw muscles are opening more. Your tongue becomes stronger and more active. Your lip movement improves. Your mouth is learning to pronounce words clearly, even in a difficult position. After a short time, remove the pen and say the same sentences again. You will immediately notice a difference. Your mouth feels lighter. Your voice sounds clearer. Your words feel easier. You feel more control. This is not magic. This is muscle memory. Most people use only a small part of their mouth movement when speaking English. Their jaw stays tight. Their lips barely move. Their tongue stays lazy. But English sounds require full movement, especially clear vowels and connected speech. This technique forces your mouth to work harder. And when you return to normal speaking, everything feels easier. Just like training with extra weight and then removing it. Choose a few simple and useful sentences each day. Use sentences that matter to you. Use sentences about growth, belief, and daily life. Place the pen gently in your mouth. Speak each sentence slowly and clearly. It will feel difficult. That means it is working. Repeat each sentence several times. Focus on pronunciation, not speed. Then remove the pen. Take a deep breath. Say the same sentences again normally. Your voice will feel stronger. Your pronunciation will feel clearer. Your jaw will feel more open. Now go to the mirror. Look at yourself and say the sentences again with confidence. Feel your mouth move. Feel your voice grow stronger. Feel English flowing from you. Do not worry about sounding funny. Do not rush. Do not skip this practice. If it feels hard, that means your mouth and brain are rewiring together. Now we move to the next step, building your confidence muscle. Confidence in English is not speaking without mistakes. Confidence is not speaking fast. Confidence is not having a perfect accent. Confidence means you speak anyway. You speak even when you make mistakes. You speak even when people are listening. You speak even when your heart beats fast. Confidence is not given. Confidence is built. And like any muscle, it grows with action. Start with affirmation speaking. Stand in front of a mirror. Look into your eyes. Say powerful sentences out loud with belief. Speak them slowly and clearly. Use your full voice. You are not just saying words. You are training your nervous system to feel safe while speaking. Next, speak about yourself freely. Talk about your life, your routine, your dreams, your memories. No script. No preparation. Just speak. You already know the topic. It is your life. Even if you repeat yourself, keep going. Even if you feel nervous, keep going. Confidence grows through repetition, not perfection. Do one brave English action every day. Leave a voice note in English. Speak English softly in public. Record a message for yourself. Talk to someone in English for a short time. Each small action builds confidence. Then visualize yourself speaking English fluently. Close your eyes. See yourself speaking clearly. Feel calm. Feel proud. Feel free. Your brain learns from imagination just like real experience. Finally, celebrate your progress daily. Ask yourself what you spoke today, what you tried, what felt scary but you still did. Say out loud, I'm proud of myself. I showed up. I spoke. I'm growing. Confidence is built by showing up every day. Now we move forward to speaking through stories. Children do not learn language through grammar rules. They learn through stories. Stories make language natural. Stories make language emotional. Stories make language real. When you speak through stories, you stop trying to be perfect. You start trying to be real. Stories activate everything at once. Your brain, memory, emotions, vocabulary, and confidence. That is why stories are a shortcut to fluency. Tell simple stories from your life. Talk about your past. Talk about moments you remember. Talk about feelings. You are no longer a student. You are a storyteller. And storytellers speak with power. The story stays the same. Your English improves every time you tell it again. Now we reach the listening stage. Listening is the secret weapon. To speak clearly, you must listen clearly. Your brain learns by hearing patterns. When it hears real English again and again, it begins to copy it. This is how language becomes natural. When learners do not listen enough, their speaking sounds broken or robotic. Not because they are weak, but because their brain has nothing real to copy. Daily listening changes everything. Your brain starts recognizing sound, rhythm, emotion, and flow. And slowly, without effort, your speaking improves. Your brain begins to say, this is how they say it. This is the rhythm. This is where they pause. This is how it sounds naturally. That is the power of listening. Listening gives you the natural structure of English, not from grammar books, but from real human voices. And when you add shadowing, copying the speaker out loud, the power multiplies. This is not passive watching. This is intentional listening. You train your ears the way a musician trains theirs. You listen. You focus. You copy. You repeat. Slowly, your brain adapts to English speed, tone, accent, structure, and rhythm. It is like learning a song. At first, you do not understand every word. But after hearing it again and again, you know the lyrics. You start singing along. You feel the flow. That is how listening turns you into a speaker. This stage has two powerful practices: focused listening and shadowing. Focused listening means choosing one short, clear English audio or video. Real English, natural English, clear and understandable. Listen once without subtitles. Do not worry about understanding everything. Just feel the tone, emotion, speed, and energy. Listen again with subtitles. Read and listen together. Notice how words connect. Notice which words are fast and which are slow. Notice where the pauses happen. Then listen again with your eyes closed. Let English enter your mind like music. Let meaning come naturally. Do not use many videos. Use one piece of content and repeat it with focus. This is how your ears are trained. Now comes shadowing. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and immediately repeating it out loud, copying the speaker as closely as possible. You copy the speed. You copy the tone. You copy the pronunciation. You copy the rhythm. This is how actors and public speakers train. Play one short sentence. Pause. Repeat it out loud exactly like the speaker. Do this again and again with the same audio. You are not just repeating words. You are absorbing fluency. Your mouth learns new movements. Your brain learns new patterns. Your English becomes real. If you do not understand every word, that is okay. You are not listening to translate. You are listening to feel English. Understanding comes naturally with repetition. Do not stop for mistakes. Do not feel bad. Just keep going. Fluency is not built in silence. Fluency is built through constant listening and speaking. Now we move to the final step, real conversations. You may have trained your brain. You may have trained your mouth. You may have built confidence. You may think in English. You may listen and shadow daily. But fluency becomes real only when you use English in real-time communication. Not memorized sentences. Not grammar tests. real interaction, a real voice, a real response, a real you. And here is the truth. You do not need a partner to practice real conversation. You can create it yourself. Real conversation is not a classroom activity. It is a natural flow of asking, answering, reacting, and expressing. You can simulate this with a mirror, a recorder, or your imagination. Choose a simple situation from real life, meeting someone new, talking about your work or studies, asking about plans, sharing your opinion. Play both roles. Ask questions. Answer naturally. React honestly. Speak like you are talking to a real person. Use expressions like, "That's interesting. I see. Oh, really? I didn't know that." You are no longer studying English. You are living inside English. Now comes your final challenge. Choose one topic from your life and speak without stopping. If you get stuck, say, "Let me think." If you forget a word, explain it simply. If you feel fear, keep going anyway. This is real fluency. When you finish, breathe deeply. Smile. You spoke continuously. You showed up. You did it. You are no longer a beginner. You are no longer waiting. You are a speaker. Use technology if you want. Practice with AI or language apps, but use them daily. Make English part of your life. Record yourself speaking on camera. Answer this question honestly. Who am I becoming? Watch yourself. See your strength. Feel your growth. Now pause. Take a deep breath. Remember who you were when you started. Nervous, unsure, doubting, but you did not quit. You trained your mind. You trained your mouth. You trained your confidence. You spoke when it was uncomfortable. You listened when no one was watching. You practiced when others made excuses. You are not the same person anymore. You are clearer. You are stronger. You are more confident. You are more fluent. This is not the end. This is the beginning of your next level. Say this out loud. I am a speaker now. I don't study English. I live English. I will grow. I will improve. I will never stop speaking. Now go speak. To yourself. To your future. To the world. Your voice matters. And the world deserves to hear it. Congratulations. You have completed a powerful English-speaking transformation. And this is only the beginning. If you are serious about speaking English fluently, stay on this journey. Subscribe. Practice daily. Let's grow. Let's speak. Let's transform together.